Hello everybody. Today we are going to see cloud management, how cloud is managed. There are different tools provided to manage the cloud. So cloud computing can be managed by different tools. So actually now in these days many IT organizations are moving towards cloud because of various reasons. One reason is flexibility. Means at home only or at your office you can sit and you can ask for a more number of services, or you can drop down the services, or you can increase the servers, whatever you want to do flexibly you can do sitting at office. So that is why cloud is flexible. And on the second hand, it is scalable. Means what, now you have taken some application or some service from the cloud party, so your 100 employees are working on that. All of a sudden you have increased your employees to 200, you need to scale your services, or you need to scale your servers, then easily scalability can be done. So that is the second advantage using cloud computing. Third advantage is cost benefits. The means what, whatever you are using you are going to pay only for that. Suppose you are using some 100 servers, after some time you do not want to use 100 servers, you can reduce your servers and you will pay for what you have used, you need not pay for all the 100 servers again. So that way these benefits are leading the organizations to use cloud computing these days. So means what, and these cloud services should be configured and managed systematically to obtain high security, performance, efficiency and cost control. So for this all things to be managed, we need to have a control over this. So that is what cloud management is, the control and oversight of an organization's infrastructure, services and applications that run in the cloud. So cloud management, for that reason some policies are to be introduced or some policies are to be used. So that is why cloud management includes policies, strategies and technologies to control and maintain private, public and hybrid resources which are going to be used by the organization on the cloud. So what are the benefits of the cloud management? First benefit is you can have a single point of control. So only one employee can sit and control everything or whatever is done on the cloud. How many services of a cloud are used by the organization, how many servers are used by the cloud, used by the organization of the cloud. So single point of contact is enough to control all the things on the cloud. So then organizations can balance innovative cloud expansion with governance, cost control and flexibility. So these are the advantages which are always involved in the cloud. So organization can balance, seeing what is required and what is not required, accordingly they can have flexibility and they can control the resources. So we have several benefits on the cloud. So that is the reason most of the organizations are moving to cloud. So how this cloud management can be done and what are the advantages of this cloud management, we will see one by one. So what is the first advantage or benefit of cloud management is, it is its ease of use. So there are three things which you can see in this. It is user friendly, and then it involves provisioning of resources is not done individually, it is done by a team, and then the continuous monitoring can be done. So if I go step by step, first is it is user friendly. Means what, as I said, an administrator of a company or organization can sit and can deploy, manage and scale resources across single or multiple cloud environments which are used by that organization. So it is very user friendly. The first, it is because of its user friendliness, it is easy to use. Second advantage is only one person will not decide what resources are to be provisioned and what resources are not to be provisioned. There can be a IT team which can deploy several and quickly from the cloud several resources from the cloud management platform in simple steps. Next, moreover, cloud management tool enables continuous monitoring. So all events and alerts are channeled to respective departments. So means what, it is easily monitored by the team, and whichever things are required by any department in your organization or whichever resources are required by any management, that can be channeled to that department, and from that they can know what is required. So the first benefit of cloud management is ease of use. Next, centralized cloud governance. So organizations migrating to cloud need a robust governance and compliance strategy and to streamline policy implementation and access control. Means what, how the resources are implemented and used, what services are implemented and used, and how the access is done, those all things should be monitored properly, and the strategy and the streamline should be made, so policies are made accordingly. So that is done by centralized cloud governance. With a cloud management platform, organizations can enforce consistent business and security policies on applications, services, databases, and other works they deploy on the cloud. Next is reduces operating overheads in conventional setups where organizations spend considerable resources to manage disparate business workflows. So governance is required. So second advantage that is provided by cloud management tools is proper governance, centralized governance, what policies are to be streamlined and what implementations are to be done is managed by this second, and this is the second advantage of cloud management and applications. Next, cost and capacity control. So if single person sits and thinks what is to be done, it is not possible. So with the help of this, means what, cloud sprawl, there is something called cloud sprawl which refers to deploying cloud resources without centralized control and accounting. So nobody will be accountable and there is no centralized control. So to take care of that, in cloud management tools we have something called cost and capacity controls. Organizations can handle sprawl more effectively with cloud management solutions. That is what is done. Sprawl is managed properly. Next, administrators can keep track of unused cloud resources and reallocate or shut them appropriately. That is what, monitoring can be done and everything can be easily done with the help of cloud management tools. That is the third advantage or benefit. Fourth advantage is automated. Sometimes incidents are happening which cannot be, which requires manual handling. So but because of cloud management tools, occasionally experience incidents that require manual intervention. Because of this, what happens, some incidents will happen. So to using cloud management tools, we can strategize, we can manage incident management, and we can accelerate disaster recovery automatically with the help of cloud management tools. Because of this, they can improve service availability, they can improve operational reliability and customer satisfaction. So cloud management tools or solutions will help us to manage the cloud properly from the client side, as well as it will help us to manage cloud properly from the parties which are providing cloud to us. So these are the advantages of cloud management. So that's why we imply or apply cloud management in our cloud. Thank you.